this game will be on message. We've got the two leading scorers in this season's champion from Munich.
These are endless. It will be two teams that press, two teams that are aggressive. It'll be a treat.
Last season, it was the Paris Saint-Germain came steadily to the board.
The touchline, that fluidity of movement that PSG have. They kind of have positions.
Olise versus Nuno Mendez will be a highlight of the night. And Olise has made the first inroads, but good handling from Safanov.
Really positive from Safanov.
There's so much maturity about his goal. Was yawning there for Olise to double the money. For
distance almost does create space elsewhere.
Olise does that by feeding Olise. He's got away from Zaire alone, but the cavalry is arriving. Olise on the ball cleanly. It's Harry Kane, it's Michael Olise. Somehow Safanov and Kane's okay. Olise's got the better of Mendy here.
Steady themselves for the next 15. It is down to him. A lot of it is down to his form and his goals.
Happened to PSG against Manchester City in 2021, and it happened to Bayern against Real Madrid in 2018. A yard away. Nuno Mendez.
Bayern.
Olise just got the better of Nuno Mendez at the moment. And of Marquinhos, still Olise. Oh, somehow it hit the woodwork and fell for Safanov. Olise almost dribbled it into the net.
There's almost all his own work.
Run. But here's Michael Olise. Stanisic is hurt or heartbroken. Nuno Mendez, who could be anything. Olise. It's 2-2. All by himself. How on earth do you stop Michael Olise? Nuno Mendez has done as well as he can. Just used a little bit of muscle as much as anything. Nothing to complain about as onlookers.
They've shown that they can break into those quite happily.
Olise. Oh, they've got so many forward passes like that one. Pavlovic, Olise able to turn on it. Just keeps his head. Olise, Zaire Emery filling in for Nuno Mendez at left back. Played at full back a few. Lovely pass from Kimmich. Olise available. Upamecano gets across and clears. Foul by Nuno Mendez.
Well, the fifth was hard enough.
Goes Olise. Nuno Mendez with some very cute defending. Fabian Ruiz's first involvement. It might have the score of an NBA game soon. Olise without the ball since coming on, but he's lost it here. Olise bundled over, and Fabian Ruiz sees yellow. These two teams don't contemplate the idea of losing. Stanisic got just enough on that. Luis Diaz has found Olise. Michael Olise. Turn into space. Olise, the queuing up for a cross. Can't quite connect with one back from João Neves. And here's Olise. Well, he's audacious. It clearly feels that everybody else isn't quite on his wavelength there, but Olise. It's a fabulous. Nuno Mendez makes way. Olise. Here's Harry Kane.